Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. My name is Niharika and today we are not reacting, we are doing a small haul. My H&M and like a black K-pop store online haul, and I'm really excited to show you because it's my first haul that I'm doing this like a haul small haul. So first of all I want to show you that this t-shirt which I bought from H&M, and it's really amazing. It's written B, which because I actually take this because, as you know, I'm really a big fan of BTS, and BTS having their new album, it's called B, so that's why I taken it. It's really I mean, I really love it, and you can say it's B, and here it's written be good to yourself, inspired others. But I really love this white shirt. I really love it to see the B, and I really love it. I will like wear this on 20th November when their song with the album will release. So I will wear that because it's a B. So I really love it. I really love a lot. Next thing which I bought from H&M is this sweater. It's like a very sweet, like a very soft. I really love it. When I wear it, it was feels so soft, so really amazing that I really want to buy this. So I wear it, and this is the picture I will show you here, and I really love it, and I really like want to wear it, and every time I want to do this and feeling so soft. I really like the polar bear type thing. I really love it, and I take this also because I have seen BTS members having like a dark brown like this thing sweater, and I really jacket or sweater, you can say, and wear it. They have dark brown, but I take like brown. But I really love it, and I really want to like wear it, and I really love like to do like this on my skin, and like everything. I really love it. And the last two things which I not bought, but I order it on online. If you know that in Instagram the things that there are many like online K-pop store which you can order it and buy it. So I buy two t-shirts, and I really love it. So first was and if you want to know the what where I buy, so I will link down below, and it's really amazing. I really love it. So I take this black t-shirt of BTS, and it's written like Dynamite, and their pics are also there, and it's a large size, and it's really amazing. I really wear it all the time. I really love it, and I really love their pictures are amazing. The Dynamite, it's everything. Right now I doesn't have the second one because it's good for wash. It's washed, so it's like outside to like it's washed, so you can understand what I'm trying to say. Because but they that also t-shirt, it's also same, but it's not the pic. It's only written Dynamite. But I really love it. As you know, I'm a big fan of BTS, so I really want every like t-shirts and everything. I really love the pictures and the Dynamite, how it's written, everything. I wear it, and if you follow my channel also, you can see that I wear my my two t-shirts, and I do a vlog also. So my reaction and vlog also. So if you want to see it, so please subscribe to my channel. If and so in future, if you doesn't see my previous videos of this of in this t-shirts, you can see in future. And I will really love this one. I will wear it again because I really love it, and I really want to buy more. Like there are like lots of varieties, like the water bottle and t-shirts and masks, covers, diaries, stickers. There were a lot of things. If you want to buy, you can buy it, and I will link down below. I really love it, and really love this one to buy. I really love it. It's really like soft and really amazing. And Yes, I really love it. I love all my clothes which I buy it a lots of time, and I really love it. So this was my small haul, and I hope that you really like it and love it. So please subscribe to my channels, and I purple you. We all purple you. Peace out. Annyeong, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more interesting videos. A lots of lots of videos, and Sugar, get well soon and come back. We are waiting for you, and we really love you, and get well soon. And annyeong, sangyo, annyeong. I love you. Bye. Annyeong. Papa you burahe. Annyeong.
You like a lonely man. We don't need